Aditya Agarwal is now with us. Aditya, thank you so much for taking out time for us. On the closing basis, how would you look at it? Most of the positions would have been squared up and now you would get a clean move in the next few days, depending on the flows?
Afternoon, Pankaj. Well, definitely means if we see Nifty, then last week Nifty gave a breakdown below its crucial support area of 8,500 levels. We saw some pullback in last two trading sessions, but again, means I don't think so. The correction which we have seen today and the pullback which we have seen today is over. I think this correction will continue for some more time. Now, upside for Nifty is very much limited. Means on a higher side, 85.50, 85.70. That is the immediate resistance on Nifty. And if at all Nifty sees another 50-60 points up move in next one or two trading sessions, I would recommend to make short positions. On lower side, more or less our target is achieved. We were expecting target of 8,200 to 8,100 levels. Nifty has achieved those targets, but the downside correction is still not over. I think Nifty will continue to consolidate now in a range of 8,200 to 8,600, but little bit of negative biasness. So I think any of the 50-60 points up move in market should be used to make short positions, keeping a stop loss of 8,620 on higher side. And on lower side, one can easily expect target of 8,300 to 8,250 next couple of trading sessions.
Right. As far as Nifty Bank is concerned, there was very good strength over there.
Well, comparatively, yes. Means Bank Nifty is looking stronger than Nifty. If we see chart-wise also, Nifty gave a breakdown below 8,500 levels last week, but Bank Nifty managed to trade above its support zone of 19,000 levels. Today in intraday session, we saw some, it broke that level for some brief time, but immediately we saw some smart pullback in Bank Nifty. And I think Bank Nifty is still trading in a range of 19,000 on lower side, on the higher side 19,800, 19,900 is a resistance zone. So Bank Nifty will continue to trade in this range, but with little bit of positive biasness as compared to negative biasness in Nifty. If we see components of Bank Nifty like ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI, these are the three large cap banking stocks which are looking extremely positive, and any correction in these counters should be used to make a long position. So overall, Bank Nifty is looking better than Nifty as at current levels. And any
one
correction
of these three counters?
ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, and SBI.
Right. And what would be the targets on these names? ICICI Bank, let's start with that first.
Well, ICICI Bank, I think 310 to 320 will be the immediate target. Means today we saw some correction, but it took a very strong support in the range of 245, 250, which is a very crucial support levels. And from those levels, some pullback was seen. Similarly, we see Axis Bank. Stock has seen a decent correction in last couple of weeks, but now lower side 470, 460 is the range where stock is consolidating, and we are seeing some good buying from those levels. So in Axis Bank, I'm expecting target of 520 to 530 in short term. So any correction in Axis Bank again can be used to make long positions. Similarly, we see SBI. SBI is consolidating in a range of 240 and 270 levels, but on lower side we are seeing a lot of buying. But once it breaks 270 level, I'm expecting target of 295 to 310 in SBI also. So in large cap banking stocks, these are the three stocks which are our top pick. If we go in mid cap side, then Federal Bank is one stock which is looking very good. Long-term chart of Federal Bank is strong. Stock has seen a decent correction from 86 level to 68 in today's session, but again means we saw some good buying. In Federal Bank, we're expecting target of 86 to 19 short term.
Right. As far as some of these names like Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma are concerned, are they looking extremely strong after today's gap down opening and then this sort of a move?
Well, if we see in pharma sector, then Dr. Reddy and Lupin, these are the two stocks which are looking comparatively better. But Sun Pharma is one stock which is again it's in a bearish zone, and means every pullback should be used to exit from long positions. Sun Pharma is looking comparatively much weaker as compared to Dr. Reddy and Lupin. Dr. Reddy it has a crucial support in the range of 3,050, 3,000 levels. We have seen a good pullback from these levels. 3,400, 3,420 is the immediate resistance zone. If that is broken, then 3,650, 3,700 levels it will be the next target in Dr. Reddy. Similarly, we see Lupin also, it has a very strong support in the range of 1,400, 1,450, and every time stock comes in that range, that is a very good buying levels. If it breaks 1,550 on the higher side, then we are expecting target of 1,650 to 1,700 in Lupin. Comparatively, if we see Sun Pharma, that this stock has seen a pullback in today's session, but overall structure for Sun Pharma is weak. Now, any pullback, if it at all comes in Sun Pharma towards 700, 710 levels, it should be used to make short positions. Means overall structure for Sun Pharma is comparatively much weaker if we see the whole pharma space. So Sun Pharma is not a buying recommendation at these levels. Yes, stock comes in the range of 550, 540. That is a good time where one can make long position, but at current levels, one should avoid Sun Pharma.
Right. As far as, something like a Kotak Bank is concerned, some of the other banks which are not looking extremely strong, but they have also recovered quite a bit from their lows. Bank of Baroda for 1.
Well, if we see Kotak Bank also, this is also one of the private sector bank which is looking extremely good. Means if we see 750, 760 was a support level. And in today panic bottom, we saw that stock made those bottoms, and from those levels we have seen a good pullback. And with this, stock has added almost 9% shares in open interest, which are in long side. Now stock is facing some resistance in the range of 830, 835 levels. Once this range is broken, then we can expect another 60, 70 rupees move in Kotak Bank. So from these levels also, Kotak Bank is looking comparatively better, and fresh long positions can be initiated only if stock goes above 830 and sustains above that. In that case, we can expect a move till 900 in Kotak Bank. Similarly, we see Bank of Baroda. Then this is one of the banking stock which is looking good. We have seen a good correction in Bank of Baroda in last couple of days. From 180 levels, stock corrected till 140, 145 in today's session. So we can expect some up move till 160 in Bank of Baroda. But beyond that, it's little difficult to say as of now. So yes, for the short term perspective, 160 is the level which we are expecting in Bank of Baroda.
Right, Aditya. Thank you so much for taking out time for us.